Ayan, ito lahat yung aking nagawa. 6 pieces. Ayan. Baka crispy ito kaya tikman na natin. Itong aking ginawa nyo recipe. Fried chapati, roti or kubos. Ayan. Ayan, tikman natin yung aking ginawa nyo recipe for today. Ayan. Bismillah, wala barakatila. Sarap. Tama yung lang yung asin niya, yung sugar. Masarap i-partner sa sa tea o kaya coffee o kaya juice or Pepsi or Mirinda or anyone. Masarap. Kunti lang yung ginawa ko kasi baka mapalpak. So, alhamdulillah, successful. Assalamualaikum everyone. Today I'm going to make new recipe. So these are the ingredients: all-purpose flour, sugar, 2 tablespoons sugar, and 1 teaspoon salt. So we have to put this one. This 1 cup equivalent to 250 grams. So I will use only 1.5 cup of flour. Because this is my first time to make, so first I will try this one. Now we have to mix this one. Now we have to put water here. 1 cup, and I will add more. So this one. Now we have to wait until it will become boil, this water in pan. Water already start to boil, so we will put now this mixed flour with salt and sugar. Then we have to mix with spatula or spoon or anything you have available tools. This is my first time to mix, so I watched this one in YouTube, so I will try also my own version. Just I add some more ingredients or my own version. So I hope it will be successful, this recipe I have to make today. Must be you mix well this flour until this water will be mixed well. Now we have to turn off now the flame. Now we have to transfer now here in what you call this one, where I mix this dough. Now we have to add more some flour here and put some oil. This is olive oil. Then we have to knead it well. Now we have to knead this one for at least 3 minutes. Pasensya na kayo. Langga is making sound. So I think this is enough. You see. And then we have to cover this one and leave for 10 minutes. We leave for 10 minutes. Then after 10 minutes, now we have to roll now this one. And then we have to divide this one into 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have to put more some extra here. Now we have to roll like this circle. So I already formed all 6 pieces circle. So next what we have to do is we have to roll like this. And then we have to make design, any one design you have. So I use my hand to do like this. And then I will use this fork to make more design. So I have to put here. And then next we have to make again another. We roll like this. Same we are making chapati, roti or kubos. Only difference I have to make design this one. Chapati is only like this, plain circle. Now we have to put here. Now I put oil here and it's already hot, this oil. So I put now one by one this dough. One by one we have to fry until it will become golden. Now we have to put more flame. Frying my new recipe today. Ayan, dalawa na yung aking na-fry. Pangatlo ito. 4, 5, 6 ito. Ayan, first time ko itong gumawa. 4 pieces na ito, then 5 pieces and 1 more. Ayan.